Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we closed on Friday. It's the weekend now, but we closed on this on Friday. And look, the house, we're in New Orleans East. The house had actually been in the family for 28 years. The owner had lived here most of their life. They had rented it to their daughter the last 2 years, and it was time to move on for them. So they reached out to us. They wanted to sell it easily and fast for cash in as-is condition. The house isn't in too bad condition. I can show you around. So it's not too bad, but it's definitely dated. Definitely needs to be painted. A few holes, marks. Just been banged up a little bit. This room definitely needs to be painted. Some of the doors are just falling off the cupboard, lights aren't working in here, but they left the bed behind. So that's the thing, when you sell to us, we do buy in as-is condition, so you are welcome to leave things behind, and we will deal with them. So, obviously carpets are pretty dated and old, cupboards are broken. So, again, not too bad a house. you've probably seen some of the videos, and we definitely buy houses a lot worse than this. But this isn't quite ready to be listed for a homeowner. Homeowners are going to want to see it, painted, cleaned out, all that sort of stuff. And we move really fast. We close the property within 2 weeks. So they're ready to move on. They don't want the hassle of trying to clean it up and make it presentable, and then list it with a realtor. Then accept an offer and have to wait for finance and inspections to clear, which probably, actually I should mention, the roof is done. So it needs a new roof. It's definitely past its use by date. So any inspection would pull that up. But we're happy to buy like that because we'll replace the roof. We're gonna come in, we're gonna make a few changes, paint the place, get rid of the carpet, add some vinyl, some luxury vinyl tile, just get it ready. We already have our strategy together for this one. We're not gonna flip it, we're gonna keep it. So, with ones like this, we generally buy them as is, get in, fix them up, clean them up, get a tenant in place, and we'll rent it out to a tenant and just turn it into a rental property. So, we're not New Orleans East. It's a pretty good rental market. There is a lot of homeowners here. We could have flipped it, actually. It would have been a viable strategy, but just in this case, we decided not to. So look, it worked out really well. For the homeowners, it was a really easy transaction. They were able to move on without much fuss. They were paid really fast. They were happy with what they were paid, and everyone was smiling at the closing table. For us, this is a good little property. We're gonna turn it into a nice rental. We'll hold this for a long time. So we're really happy with the property that we got as well. So look, if you have a property looking to sell, maybe something where you just don't want to do the work and fix it up, just want a quick, fast, easy cash offer, then reach out to us at Home Buyer Louisiana. You can check out our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. We have a lot of information, case studies, frequently asked questions. So check it out and see what you think. Thanks, guys.